This is a video examination inspection of the Ocetea 100W USB-C to USB-C cable with LED display, USB-C cable, 6-foot USB-C charger cable, fast charging PD USB-C cord for Samsung, Galaxy, iPad, MacBook, and Pixel. Sells for $15.99. So that's 100 watts, so it'll handle up to 100 watts of the fast charging, which is important because some of this stuff is not fast charging and some is, and you want a cable capable of handling that. Durable and stable, and it's got LED powered digital display. Broad compatibility. Let's get it open. And it's knife proof. Good, I did nick it, didn't I? That's what I get for trying to be cute. I was just looking to see if I had something to plug this into. Well, this looks really, really nice. I'll have to take this out to where I have my Samsung plugged into the fast charger and see how it works. This looks really good. So this will conclude the video examination inspection and nick the cord, and we'll go on to the written evaluation, and this will finish up this portion.